are going to learn something new. So, Cody, could you please read the first objectives?
Study about the different parts of animal cells.
Okay. Could you ask yourself, put this in your head, ask yourself, what is an animal cell? Okay, that's what we are talking about this morning. Okay, second, what do we need to study? Xavier, what is the second objectives for today?
That we will learn the basic functions of the animal cell body.
Okay, ask yourself, put it in your head. Okay, what do you mean by basic? What is basic, Cody? Basic, the very
Part.
foundation. Okay, very important. Okay, third, David, I want you to read the third objectives for today.
The third objective is tonight we will demonstrate the animal cell structure.
Okay, what do you mean by demonstrate, Xavier? To, do we need to eat or to do something? Okay, to do something. So afterwards, after we learn the concept of the animal cells and its parts, we need to do application, experiment, okay? Now, here, I want you to do your work because in Bosher, we inspire students, okay? Inspiration. That's why we are here. We need to do more work. We need to be inspired to go to school. Okay, next, imagination. What is imagination?
Imagination is the way to think.
Okay, good job. So it's your dream. But your dream won't stop there, okay? You need to follow that dream and you need to do that dream. Okay, last, innovation. What is innovate? From the root word innovate. Cody. Is it you do something new or you're not doing anything? What is it? Do something new. Very good. All right. Okay, now, manager, please pass the material 1. Okay. So remember, we will study the cells. So we need to know what are cells. Experiments, what else?
There have been a few drawings.
Okay, studies, drawings. Okay, good job. I want you to highlight cell theory. Okay, we need to practice not just answering questions, but we need to figure out where did we get the answers and the reason to our questions. Okay, you got it? Okay, now here. For the next part, we need to know what cells are. We need to discover cells, okay? I want you to highlight the word cells. Okay? That's based on our textbook, cells, the word cell. Okay, please stand up, Raphael. I want you to read what is a cell, according to your handout.
What do you think a mushroom, a tree, a spider, a bird, and you have in common? All are living things or organisms. Like all organisms, they are made of cells.
Okay, very good. I want you to highlight living things. Okay. Thank you, Raphael. You may sit down. Now, Xavier, I want you to stand and give me an example of a living thing. Yes, you can do it, sir. Go ahead. Just one. Very good. You may sit down. Thank you. What do you think is the characteristic of a living thing? Cody?
Body organism.
Body organism that is what?
Moving.
Moving. Good job. So, because we are moving, do you think we are a living thing?
Yes.
Okay, now I have a surprise for you. I want you to listen. Hold your ear for me, please. Say, listen.
Listen.
Look at me. Look at your teacher. Cody, listen. The first time I tell you the rule, you need to listen. Okay, I want you to check under, not over, but under your desk. All of you has it. Go get it. What's under your desk?
Name.
Not under your chair, but under your desk. I want you to take it up. Take it up. Cody, take it up. Thank you. I want you to raise it up. Okay. Now you have letters. Okay. think time. Okay? Think about one word that starts with your letter. What letter are you, David? You have letter L. Cody have letter L. Xavier, show me your letter. Letter C. Riviel, show me your letter. Letter E. Okay. I want you to think of one living organism and one non-living. Think time, think time. I'll give you think time. I'll count 1 to 20. In my head, I will count 1 to 20. And then get ready. Get ready. Okay? We will tabulate your answers, living and non-living. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I'm done. Alright? Now here, we say living. Here, the non-living.
You put dead.
That's too harsh and creepy. Although it's Halloween.
I know one now.
We just prefer that one. Okay, okay. My magic jar, my magic jar. Get one, please. Number 3. Cody, give us one living and one non-living that starts with your letter.
A lion and a leaf.
Okay, go ahead. You think a leaf is a living or non-living?
I think
And
it's
then a ball picture so it dies.
Okay, go ahead. Then I want you to stick this on the side. It's a lion and a leaf. Are you sure about that? Thank you, Cody. Good job. Next. This letter L. My magic jar. Get one, please. Yourself. You got yourself. Go ahead. And I want you to stick that one on the side. Good job. Right where your letter is, David. Okay, one living that starts with letter L. Ladybug, good job. And one non-living that starts with
How do you spell licorice?
licorice. Licorice. Awesome. Good job. Alright. Magic jar, magic jar. Go ahead, thank you, sir. Get one, please. Number 4. Go ahead, Rafael. Give me one living and non-living that starts with the letter E.
An elephant?
Very good. Go ahead, Rafael. Thank you.
What's non-living on this?
That starts with E. Can you help Rafael? Who can help Rafael? I know you are smart. I know you can do it. Help him. Cody, can you help Rafael, your neighbor?
I'm still like.
Okay, good. I will give you something time. How about you, Savior? Can you help? Rafael. Okay, good. I'll give you think time. More think time. How about you, David? Starts with E. That's tricky, huh?
Earbud.
Yeah.
Earbud.
E-A-R-B-U-D. Alright? Now, what is your living thing? Elephant. E-L-E-P-H. So you can see this vividly. You can see this clearly, okay? Thank you, sir. You're shaking.
It's in, and what stays out?
Okay, so that's the most important thing that you need to write. What stays in or what gets in and what stays out. That's the cell membrane, okay? What stays in and what stays out. Because the cell membrane is the guard, the gatekeeper.
The nucleus is like a command center for that.
Okay. You have the spelling on top, okay? N-U-C-L-E-U-S, nucleus. Okay? If you don't get it, just raise your hand so I will know.
It's the boss that hands out orders to the others.
Okay, it's the boss, or the brain, or the head. Okay? Raise your hand if you don't get it so I can repeat it. It's the boss of the cell. It gives orders. Okay?
Cell parts. The nucleus is guided by the cell's DNA, which contains all of your body's instructions for life.
Okay, you know DNA, right? Like you got your hair color from your mommy or your daddy. Okay, it's because of those strands, the DNA strands. Okay. Next.
Inside the cell membrane, there's a mixture of chemicals and water that's called cytoplasm.
Okay, cytoplasm. The spelling is on top. C-Y-T-O-P-L-A-S-M. Cytoplasm is just like a fluid-like, okay? Sometimes it's jelly-like, okay? Jelly. It must be what? Sticky or not sticky? If it's jelly, like the corn syrup, like the carrot syrup, is it sticky or not?
Speaking.
Yes, it is. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Alright? Okay. So, it's made of water and other substances. Okay?
Cytoplasm flows around the cell, carrying structures called organelles.
Okay. So, in cytoplasm, okay, it should be clear that cytoplasm is a fluid-like. It has chemicals, it has substances in the organelles, the small organs. Okay? That's why it's called organelles. Why? Because it's big or small?
Big,
Are you sure?
small.
Small. Organelles are small. So inside the cytoplasm, these organelles are what? Floating or flying?
Floating.
Floating. Okay. I will continue the video.
Organelles have different jobs. Mitochondria break
Okay. So this right there, that one of the organelles.
The cell.
Okay, tell me, where is your nucleus? Can you point it, Xavier?
The nucleus is right there.
Okay, Xavier, where it is?
Right here.
Okay, what is the function of the
The
nucleus?
brain of the cell.
Okay,
It controls everything.
very good. It's the head of
Then we're
everything.
going to start out with the nucleolus. The nucleolus is right here, the little green piece, right there. And it produces, and its job is that it carries DNA.
Okay, so you are using your foldables to check on the function, okay?
These
Go
are
and-
mitochondria right here.
Okay, so what is the function? David, can you ask him?
What is the function?
It's the powerhouse.
Powerhouse of the cell. So if it is the powerhouse, it will give what?
Energy.
Good job. Okay, now use your foldable. You have your foldable, Xavier. Get your foldable.
These are the
Okay, you have your
smoothie
Golden.
on the rough ER.
Okay, what does it do?
They make
Tell us.
protein.
Okay, they utilize, they synthesize. Repeat after me. Synthesize
Synthesize
the what? Proteins.
the
Okay.
protein
Where can I possibly find the ribosomes?
on the rough ER and the
Okay,
smoothie ER.
rough ER only, in the rough ER. That's why it's called rough ER because
These little ribosomes
because of the
make
dots.
little grains of protein.
Wait.
Proteins,
The
very good.
mitochondria are actually the energy, convert energy stored in food. The Golgi apparatus, which is found here, is the powerhouse of the cell.
Golgi apparatus, really? Are you sure? Do you agree, Xavier, that Golgi apparatus is the powerhouse of the cell?
I think it was the mitochondria.
Because look, I have that right here. You have something different.
That is, the powerhouse of the cell is the mitochondria, and Golgi
It
apparatus.
converts energy.
It
stores
converts?
in food into energy in the mitochondria.
Okay, so Golgi apparatus is the one that will deliver, package those proteins so that it will be utilized inside the body. But the mitochondria is the one like SWEPCO. Remember? Mitochondria will what? Give power. Will give fuel, energy.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we have our nucleus membrane, which protects the nucleus.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else, David? Can you add? How about the cytoplasm? If we pretend, where should be the cytoplasm right there?
Cytoplasm.
In your edible experiment, where should it be?
The cytoplasm should be in the
Is it inside the nucleus or outside?
outside.
Okay,
Outside.
where should it be? Can you point it out to me?
It should be right.
If we have the cell membrane, is this your cell membrane? Is this your cell membrane? Okay. So if this is the cell membrane, where should be the cytoplasm? Remember the
Inside
gel-like?
the cell.
Okay,
It's a
inside.
little gel.
It's a gel-like substance. Okay. So where can you find these organelles, the small organs? Is it floating on top of cell wall or floating on top of the cytoplasm?
Floating on top of the cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now, what have you learned about animal cell? Give me one reason or one explanation, David.
That we use these all over our body for energy and for all of our living animals like dogs, because without cells and without the organisms that we have, we wouldn't be able to live.
Okay, very good. Awesome. High five. Okay, how about Xavier? Give me one thing that you learned about learning animal cell.
That
Okay, I'll give you think time. 5, 4, 3, 2,
I
1.
can't think of one.
Okay. Yes, you can.
I'm trying to.
Okay. I'll give you think time. Go.
So it can help you live and help you survive.
Okay, you can talk also about nucleus.
The nucleus
Mhm.
will control the body cell
Mm-hmm.
to do everything so you can get healthy and stuff.
Awesome. Very good. Approve. High five. Good job. Okay. Okay, I have 3D puzzle for you to touch and elaborate. Explain to me what are the different parts of the animal cell. Okay, David, your turn.
Do you want to play a game? We can make up one, okay?
Yeah, let's play a game.
We'll play. Okay, close your eyes, and you gotta put your finger and pick one of the cell parts, and
Okay.
you gotta name it.
The
And then,
nucleus.
Open your eyes. What is it? What is it that you touch?
Yeah, it's right here.
What is it?
Look,
The different type of the different type of the microscope. There's two pieces to it, and this one is the one that gets less but more seeing what's on the outside closer than what's expected the eye. This one is the one that will get in there closer. As you can see, there is a number on this one.
Magnify, double magnify.
And I think this one would be more accurate because in the other one I have not seen as much as I have in this one. So I'm thinking of this one as being the better one.
It's more magnified, you think so?
Extremely.
Okay, can we check on it?
As you've learned about the sweet potato leaves, as you can see, these little pieces right here are maggots. That's what we're thinking of because they have this protective outline of all these little webs. And as you can see, they're little heads. And you cannot see this with a skin of your eye. And as you can see, the little white powder, it looks like, are the protective stickiness that contains until the maggot is ready to hatch out of its protective layer.
Where is that
And
leaf?
the protected layer is right here. As you can see, those little white pieces, and they've been spread by the flies to keep them there where they will not die. And we have had some close experience with different other things too. We've done pictures of the eyeball and this.
What's that?
As you can see, the little green dots these are chloroplast, and the little lines coming down. We were thinking of this being the cell wall, since animal cells have cell membrane. This is the cell wall. This is the chloroplast. I can't really see the other pieces of the cell.
Because we need a solution for
Yes.
that to make it visible enough.
And then we're gonna go to the this is the picture of the ear. As you can see, these will protect you from dust and other insects. It may look a little weird, but that's what they are.
Yeah, it looks like a ham to me. It looks like a meat, but it's the ear.
Then this is the picture of the eyeball, and it looks like
It looks like lashes.
It's the eyelashes, and it looks like it's going into the eyeball, but as you can see, it goes underneath into the eyelid and then laces back through like a little lace. And this is a picture of the eyeball, and I don't know what this piece is, but I know that my eyeball is blue.
What happened to that eyeball? Why there's white right there? What is it?
The white.
Right here. What's that?
Oh, that's the way that the light will glance off at any point in time you're looking at it. And so, and then it's pretty much going to show up each time because of your retina. Then as you can see, this is the bottom eyelash. As you can see, it looks like it goes into the eyeball, but it doesn't. It goes laces back through.